Hey, what's up guys? This is Will from Motorsports. Today we are installing a twin ARMASPEED intake on this G80. So this is a full carbon fiber design. This is going to cut down your intake temperatures. Carbon fiber is a great reducer and protector to heat. So we're basically going to swap this in on this G80, give this car some nice turbo sounds and protect his intake temperatures. All right guys, thanks for checking out the video. Thank you again to ARMASPEED. Appreciate all of your help and support. Make sure you like and subscribe. And check out these parts on our website at mademotorsports.com.